put one right here.
They're wireless, so all we have to do is run power to them.
Yeah, and we just take a line out from back here. All right.
Good to go?
Yeah.
I would hope so.
Well, you'd be surprised. Everybody's got their own personal fan out here. Yo. You learn something new every time you upload a video. That's really far away, yeah?
Yeah, we can talk about that.
That's kind of what I expected to happen a little bit. Anything, we always carry these with us. You practicing?
Yeah, I go, every time I put my clipboard down, I kind of go blank or whatever. I'm not a great public speaker.
That's okay. You think I'm safe to lay out extension cords along here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna go straight that way.
As straight as you can.
Yep.
Are you gonna run these together?
Yeah. It'll be fine. I'm just using this one because I don't know where we're actually gonna end up, so we're just gonna have a ton of extra slack to power 2 speakers that draw 2 amps each at most. I'm just not gonna worry about it. Yeah. Yeah, and once we get the speakers up, we'll play some music. We are going to use the wheels for all they're worth. I'll probably put one of these on there. Those fans are going to be loud. Those fans are going to be so damn loud. Hands are really bad. It's not that loud.
I thought it was gonna be like such a bigger deal.
Let's just see if these work.
You mean the speakers? Like if they would turn on?
Yeah. Not that much shorter. All right, I actually don't have my connector cords. All right. Yeah, let's just test it. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. All right, everything works. It's all right, they're already going. They weren't kidding. They're already getting food and stuff. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. 3, 4, hey, hey. Check 1, 2. Guess we could have brought it a little bit further, but whatever. I guess this is going in first this time.
Is that what the head shake was for?
Yeah, oh wow. Oh, oh God, it's hot. 112. See you later.